Good day, my teens. Thank you for joining me throughout the series Origami with Cynthia. This week's theme is friendship and love. Today I will show you how to create a heart-shaped envelope for loved ones and friends. Before we get started, let's talk a little bit about friendship. Have you ever asked yourself what characteristics you look for in a friend? A few come to mind, such as trust. Friends are able to confide in one another. Respect. Friends respect each other physically and emotionally. And encouragement. A true friendship is encouraging in a positive way and influences you in the right direction to become better personally and educationally. And today, I encourage you to join and invite a friend to our new Young Adult Book Club with the Buckeye Public Library System. Check out our website for an upcoming online discussion. Let's get started. Once you have selected your sheet of paper and you have your letter written or a picture or anything you want to be able to put inside your envelope, let's get started in folding. You're going to bring your sheet of paper and fold it in a triangle, a valley fold, triangle fold. Go ahead and make sure that you're creasing these really nicely every single fold. Part of the origami folding is having a flat surface and making sure that we're creasing and folding throughout the project. This left side, right side here, we're going to fold over using that triangle as a guide. Okay, we're going to open up your page all the way. Now we're going to fold this left side to this guide that we just created. Really nice creases there. Open your page back up. Now the left side to your nearest guide. Just like this. Alright, we're going to flip your page over, making sure that that fold is over on your left side. Now we have a guide here in the middle. We're going to fold your top and bottom triangle to the center, just like this. Some really nice creases there. If you need to pause the video to follow along the steps, please feel free to. From this step, we're going to flip your page over. You should have on the other side a pocket triangle. The top of the triangle, we're going to fold it to that guide, bottom guide here on that page. You see that heart forming already. Some really nice creases there. Okay, we're going to fold again. On the back side, you have these little flaps. We're going to open them up. The line here will align to the edge of the page, and we want to be able to press that down on both, doing the same on both sides. So align that guided line into the edge of that page. The edges of this, we're going to fold up, making sure that you're not overlapping to the edge of that page. Do it the same thing on both sides. And then our last fold here, which is the actual top of the heart, we're going to fold the tip here to that edge again. Some really nice creases. And then we're going to flip over, and look at that, we have your heart. Now we're going to work on the edges of your envelope. So we're going to bring one side, and using the guided the guide of this triangle, we're going to fold this side here all the way down. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Look at that. It's looking pretty nice. After this step, we're going to fold the bottom towards the top because we want to be able to create that envelope. I'm going to tuck it in, and then we're going to fold it. Now at this step, you can use glue, double-sided tape. I'm using regular tape, just a little quicker. Double-sided tape works awesome also. You're going to tape the sides. And then you can open up your heart, and created that pocket where you can put in the letter, a picture, whatever you want to send in your heart-shaped envelope. And there you go. If you haven't already, go to read20az.org and register for our summer reading program, Imagine Your Story. Throughout the summer activities, you will find secret codes to enter for additional points. For example, if you watch this video, your code is Origami. Receive additional points by sending a picture of your completed masterpiece to library@buckeyeaz.gov. Happy summer!